We are 1 week, barely over 1 week into 2019, 9 days into it, and I'm already excited for what could be one of the best flagship phones coming this year, and that is the Honor View 20. Now, this is an amazing looking device, first of all, with its red and blue sort of chevron design, really shiny, really just that nice pop of color. It's gonna look amazing and very disappointing at the same time because you're gonna have to put a case to cover that, which is just gonna ruin that really beautiful design. But this phone is definitely more than just looks. It's coming with a 6.4-inch 1080p display on it, with a nice little punch hole for the selfie camera in the front. There's 25 megapixels. It's pretty awesome. It also is gonna come with a Kirin 980 processor inside of it. Options of 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, depending on what version you get. Also either 128 gigabyte or 256 gigabytes of storage along with that as well too. And a 4,000 milliamp hour battery built into it. So this thing's gonna pack power, endurance, awesome cameras because there's going to be a 48 megapixel dual camera on the rear of this, which is pretty cool. And that camera actually does a little bit more than just take really, really good pictures. It also has the ability to use some AR functionality as well too. If you use a compatible docking station, which they did show us off at the event here at CES. And with that, you can do some sort of AR games and things like that, which you'll kind of see some of the examples, some of the things you can do here in the video. It's very similar to kind of like a Microsoft Kinect style sort of thing with it. So pretty cool. Not sure how many people will use that. The dock is pretty cool for anything else you might want to use for it, but this phone is really packing everything with it. You get USB Type-C on the bottom for your charging and data transfer. On the top is where they moved all the sensors to give you that less bezel and more display. And they've also put a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top as well too. So you're getting all your ports, all your sensors, 2 great cameras. I mean, there's really not a lot that this is going to be missing here. It's going to be running Android 9.0 inside of it as well too, with Huawei's UI on top, EMUI on top of it as well. So it's really packing everything, and I'm just excited. I haven't had a lot of time with it, but the time I spent with it was really cool. You do have those AR emojis as well too, so you can use that if you want to do the sort of iOS or Samsung-like sort of AR emoji sort of stickers. You can do that. It's got pretty much everything I would expect in a flagship phone in 2019, and it's from the Honor brand, which is really amazing. Now, we don't have pricing on it just yet. We don't have where it's going to be released. We know it's going to get released in France coming up in a couple of weeks, so it'll be pretty interesting what the price range is that, but hopefully this will hit US and UK stores coming up in the near future. Really excited for it. Can't wait to spend some more time with it. Definitely share your thoughts below. Let me know what you guys think about the Honor View 10. Do you think we already have a top flagship phone, one of the best phones coming in 2019? I certainly think this is going to be one of the big contenders out there. So thank you for watching. Be sure to mash all the buttons and subscribe. You know what to do with that. And always remember to live your tech world in high definition.